If you're working on essays, research papers, reports, or any kind of academic writing, Grammarly can be a huge help when you use it the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Grammarly up for academic writing so it gives you more relevant suggestions, a more formal tone, and better support for the kind of writing teachers, professors, and reviewers expect. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Grammarly and look at the right sidebar. This is where you'll find the Goals section, and it's usually shown with a target icon. Go ahead and click on Goals because this is where you can tell Grammarly what kind of writing you're doing. Once the Goals panel opens, you'll see a few important settings that help Grammarly understand your assignment. The first setting you want to choose is Domain. Select Academic. This tells Grammarly that you're writing in a school or research-focused context, so the suggestions it gives you will better match formal academic work. Next, set the tone to formal. This is an important step because academic writing usually needs a polished, professional, and objective voice. Choosing formal helps Grammarly recommend wording that sounds more serious and appropriate for essays, papers, and other scholarly documents. After that, look for the intent setting and select inform or describe. This helps Grammarly understand that your writing is meant to explain, present information, or communicate ideas clearly rather than persuade casually or write in a conversational style. Once you've selected domain academic, tone formal, and intent inform or describe, Grammarly will start tailoring its suggestions to match that writing style more closely. That means you may notice better grammar recommendations, improved sentence clarity, and edits that fit the expectations of academic writing much more naturally. If you're writing a paper for class, a literature review, a lab report, or even a thesis section, these settings can make a big difference in the quality and the consistency of your draft. A lot of people use Grammarly with the default settings and wonder why the suggestions feel too casual or not quite right for schoolwork. The reason is usually that the goals are not set correctly. So if you want Grammarly to work smarter for academic writing, always make sure you customize those goals before you start editing. You can also use this setup anytime you switch between different types of assignments. For example, if you later need to write something more persuasive or more creative, you can go back into goals and adjust the domain, tone, and intent again. That flexibility is one of the best parts of Grammarly because it lets you guide the software instead of just accepting generic corrections. After you make these changes, go through your document and review the suggestions Grammarly gives you. Pay attention to the grammar, clarity, and style recommendations, and always make sure the final wording still sounds like your own writing and matches your instructor's requirements. Grammarly is a tool to support your process, not replace your judgment, and that's really the key to using it well for academic writing. Set the goals properly, write your draft, review the suggestions carefully, and then polish the final version before submitting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.